Hey everyone, Tony Winston here for Jazz Piano College. Going to work on the Christmas song today, words and music by Mel Torme, the great vocalist, and Robert Wells. Mel was a great singer, but he's a good arranger and composer, and, he wrote a classic. Going to do it in the key of E flat first because that's where the chart is, and then we're going to look at it also in the key of C and talk about some reharmonization. So, following the chart here. Okay, that's been reharmonized a million different ways. You can do the move, which is like a blues thing where you go from the one chord to the dominant four chord. And then a 3-6-2-5-1 will get you back to the root. And right here, I'm pushing that B flat forward to the beginning of the measure. And then, you could do a little tritone substitution maybe there. And here we have G7, with the sharp 5 or the flat 13. Another way is to just change that to an A flat minor. Another way is to just go to D flat 7th, which is kind of like the same chord. And then you can get to C minor. Now here's a change I didn't really know about. Yeah, it's an A flat minor, 6th. Yeah, I knew about it. I just do it kind of a different way. I put the B on the bottom. But let's try it with A flat on the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. I like mine because you can go right to the E flat chord with a B flat on the bass, and it gives you some nice root movement going like this, all the way to A. And here we end up on G major. Okay, now this is kind of a distant key, but that's the kind of the coolest part of the song, really. And then very slick move here. See, that's a 2-5-1 to G flat, and then right back to our root. Let's see. Now, some other kind of nice ways to reharmonize this. You can do the move like that, or you can go like an F minor with that melody note. It's an F minor 13, and you don't get a chance to use F minor 13 all that much, so it's kind of fun to do. And then you could go to like a G minor or E flat or that kind of nice E flat chord. See, I did this. Here I'm going to use some tritone substitution kind of thing. Now, you might want to try it here, but notice how the melody really clashes. So if you're like, and you're on the 5th, of the chord, that tritone substitution doesn't work so well. So let's try something else. So I just stayed on E flat, and I did this. It's a suspended chord with a flat 9. There's some rootless voicings that work on that too. All right, where are we here? Every mother's child, yeah, mother's child. Yeah, here's a nice place to do this. Yeah, because it leads right to that C very nicely. Can I do that again? And now here, you know, when the root is the melody, you know, then tritone substitution works great. So you could go C minor, F7, or B7, kind of the same chord. And F minor, you know, you could play the F minor here, but put the B flat there, it becomes B flat 11th, and then you resolve it to some very fat chord. So what does it do there? And although it's been said many times, yeah, I don't think I ever played that change. That's really cool. Right, nice song there.